Well, at the time when we didn't even belong to the same political group. But something struck me about him at that time that he was very unique. I would go to Ogun State and visit him occasionally. We had meetings together, and he struck me as someone quite different. Today he's not different. In fact, he's more of the parent. That he got us together this evening is another unique quality of his. He has no business at all holding a meeting for today. But I think it is your way, his disposition, his general behavior. Felt you shouldn't come to Ogun State and go back without getting together. I thank you very much for that. He has demonstrated to us the qualities of an accomplished leader, and I think it's too late for him now to change. He has to keep it up and draw people to himself. Look at the caliber of people who are here today. From different areas. I was surprised to see very many people I've not seen before this evening. It is occurred to him to get us together before we go back to our different places, that we could share fellowship, share ideas together, and remember the old days. So I think we have to thank him for that. From what we see this evening, it's a dragnet. Look at the number of people are here from different places at a moment's notice. And they are very happy to be here. And we always remember the association. Although we didn't belong to the same political group as such, there's something about him that draws you to near him all the time. You cannot do without him. The more you try to get away from him, the more you draw near him, the more he draws you near him. So there's something magnetic about his character and infectious. So we thank him very much for coming, getting us together this evening. We shall remember today as a very memorable day. I want to thank him for what he's doing and what he intends to do. The money shows the day. See what you may or not but like him. So that is one thing about him. The more you try to get away from him, at the time he had that problem, the more you get drawn to him. At that time, he was to be sacrificed. But some of us felt there was something about him which you can't do without. So thank you very much for getting us together this evening. And thank you very much for coming, everybody. From Akure, Otunba.